my friends from the media. I'm happy to announce that we have agreed. Mizoram delegation and Assam delegation have agreed to make a joint statement, which will be read out by Sri Srimati, Secretary and Commissioner, Department of Border Protection and Development, Assam.
Thank you all. So, joint statement agreed between the Assam delegation and Mizoram delegation. The government of Assam and government of Mizoram welcome and agree to take forward the initiatives taken by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, and Honorable Chief Ministers of Assam and Mizoram to remove tensions prevailing around the interstate borders and to find lasting solutions to the disputes through discussions. The second point, the representatives of Government of Mizoram convey condolences for the loss of lives on 26th July 2021 and convey best wishes for a speedy recovery of those injured. Third point, both the state governments agree to maintain peace in the interstate border areas and welcomed deployment of neutral force by Government of India in this regard. For this purpose, both the states shall not send their respective forest and police forces for patrolling, domination, enforcement, or for fresh deployment to any of the areas where confrontation and conflict has taken place between the police forces of the two states during recent times. This would include all such areas along the Assam-Mizoram border in the districts of Karimganj, Hailakandi, and Kachar in Assam, Mamit and Kolasip districts in Mizoram. Representatives of Government of Assam and Mizoram agree to take all necessary measures to promote, preserve, and maintain peace and harmony among the people living in Assam and Mizoram, particularly in the border areas. So this is the joint statement which has been executed.
Thank you, Srimati Shah. Now, we can have a few time for questioning.
Sir, in your joint statement, you talk about that fresh deployment will not be made. So my question is, what about the existing deployment? Are you going to withdraw your forces?
Please.
Yeah, in your joint statement, say
Yes.
that only fresh deployment will not be allowed.
Yeah.
What about the existing deployment of both state forces?
Most.
Are you going to withdraw your forces?
And move on another question. What about the economic location?
Yeah,
So,
I'll tell you. Say today we are here. We had a long discussion with the team of the government of Mizoram, led by Honorable Home Minister, and RD Minister were also there. And myself, along with me, Mr. Ashok Singhal, is GD and UDD Minister, Government of Assam, and Guardian Minister of Assam District. And GD Tripathi, who is Commissioner and Secretary, Border Areas Development and Border Protection Department. So, after having trade fair discussion, we have come to an agreement which already our Commissioner and Secretary have read out before you. And it has happened under the initiative of Government of India. As you know that recently a discussion took place in Delhi where the Chief Secretary of Mizoram and Chief Secretary of Assam were also there. So this is a beginning. We'll have trade fair discussion in the near future where both the Chief Minister will be there. Today, both the state government has agreed to maintain peace in the interstate border areas and welcome, because both the government welcome. The neutral force will be there, and both the state shall has agreed not to send their own forces to that area. That must. And another question, Chairman.
Actually, sir,
No, see, yes, economy, regarding, you were asking regarding economic blockade.
sir, it
See,
seems that your travel advisory has created fear among the people.
pardon?
Mizoram alleged that there is economic blockade, which your government denied. But it is crystal clear that no
No,
vehicles
see,
enter Mizoram side.
yeah.
So your travel advisory created, it seems, created fear among the people to enter Mizoram. So are you willing to revoke your travel
Yes,
advisory?
yes.
advisory?
We are willing to revoke all the advisories, because emotionally the local people has taken such phases. Government is not involved there. Government is not involved. Definitely after having today's discussion, what I say, it is a fruitful discussion. So I think everything will be okay in the near future. And we have asked the Home Minister that we should have frequent meeting. We should have, means the bordering district, DC, SP can take part in the both side in the discussion, monthly discussion.
Honorable Home Minister of Mizoram, there is a question. After the central meeting with, at the center between the chief secretaries and DGPs, it was decided that only central armed police forces will be there at this particular post. The post at which the Assam police personnel were killed, in that post now IR battalion is deployed. So is it not a violation of the tripartite resolution that were reached in Delhi?
See, friend, see, this is a good beginning. Don't put any more question, because unfortunate incident took place on 26, which was not expected by anybody else. So I think this is a good beginning. We will have more discussion in the near future, and everything will be sorted it out. Because the Chief Minister of Mizoram, he has openly expressed his feelings that the border disputes can be settled amicably. And our Chief Minister also desires that it should be settled amicably through dialogue, through meaningful dialogue. So both the government agrees for meaningful dialogue, because this is a long pending problem. It will take time. Okay? Thank you very much.
So do you agree that the Assam police has crossed the boundary of Mizoram?
Pardon?
Do you agree that Assam police has
So
crossed
do not put such a question which will create more controversy among the people, those who are residing in the border area. We want to diffuse the tension. Those who are residing in the border area, we are not here to create more problem. So give us some time. Everything will be okay. Please.
This question is directed to Mr. Ashok. There was a strong attempt to shift the focus of the border issue to drugs and cattle smuggling. It was repeated many times in his Twitter account.
Let us forget the past. Let us forget the past. Let us forget the past. Today we have started a good beginning. Forget the past. Forget the past. Forgetting past, we are coming forward. We are coming here, and they are also coming forward. Yeah.
Yes, today is a good beginning to restore full normalcy between the two states. So it is best, as Raji had suggested, that we should forget the past.
Thank you very much.
Very much. We invited you all for a lunch.
Thank you. What about, was there any discussion regarding the demarcation? Because the problem,
We have to reach the point of demarcation.
We are not discussing today, because as you know, we talk about constitutional boundary. Regional government talk about historical events. So it will take time to sort it out. Everything will be sorted out in the near future, because our Chief Minister is wants to settle this matter once for all. He wants permanent settlement of this. Today, I told you earlier that today is the beginning. Give us time, give us some time, and everything will be happening.
I think,
Already we have told you. We have expressed. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.